how to leave a group chat on Instagram. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would be learning how you can leave a group chat on Instagram, and it is very straightforward. The first step is to launch your Instagram application, and then once it has been launched, move to the top right corner where you can see the direct message icon. All right, so once you can see the direct message icon, just click on it. And so once you're on this page, as you can see, you can see your direct messages. On amongst your direct messages on this page, you would also see your group name. You will see the group chats that you belong to. For me, I only have personal chats. I do not have a group chat. Or for you, you would see your group chat here. And once you can see that, the next step for you is to tap the group name at the top part of the screen. After tapping the group name, you'll see the option leave amongst other options. So just tap on leave, and then you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to leave. Select yes, and then just like that, you'll be asked to leave the group page. All right, you'll be sent out of the group page because you already clicked on leave, and you will leave the group page automatically. So what do? Ensure you locate the group chat, click on the group chat, and then once you click on the group chat, click on the name of the group chat at the top part of the screen. Amongst the options displayed, select leave, and you'll be exited already automatically. Thank you for watching and have a good day.